Hey friends, welcome to Adventures with Paisley Poodle. I'm Anna Simon and I'm so glad you're here. Today we're doing a craft with Paisley. The craft is called Brave Breath Pinwheels, and it's an activity that will help us to practice calm, brave breathing whenever we feel nervous. Okay friends, are you ready? Let's get started.
Hey friends, thanks for joining me. I had a lot of fun making the activity with you today. So let's give our pinwheels a try. If you are finding that your pinwheel isn't spinning very well, I recommend making the brad a little looser, and that'll help it to spin more freely. And next time you feel nervous or scared, I want you to think about blowing your pinwheel to make it spin, and how taking deep breaths in and letting them out can help your body to feel calmer in those situations. If you had fun in this video today, don't forget to subscribe to Adventures with Paisley Poodle so that you can join along to more stories, activities, and adventures. And remember friends, you are brave. See you next time.